Hello everyone, this is Shabbu from Shabbu's Kitchen. So today I am going to show you all my cookware collections which I have been collecting since years, even before I started my YouTube channel. As you can see, I have different kinds of cookware, pots, pans, etc. So without wasting any more time, let's see all of them in detail. The one I am going to show first is my favorite one among all the cookwares I have. These are my favorite set of cookware. It is a set of 3. It is made up of cast iron with marble texture. As you can see here, this is the largest among all. The set comes with 3 sizes: large, medium, small. This has silicone mittens to hold while cooking. It has 3 sizes: large, medium and small. Large is of 3 liters and medium is of 2, small is of 1. So here are the ones I purchased, few of them from online and most of them from Tanzania. In Tanzania, all the products including kitchenware are mostly imported from Turkey, Switzerland, Italy and Pakistan. So basically there is a wide range of collections from different countries over there. This is a pot I purchased last year in Tanzania. This is of 3 liters capacity and it is a heavy duty pot, and its quality is quite amazing, and it's of stainless steel and it is originally from Switzerland. The full pan is of Bergner company and it is a non-stick pan. This pan has a capacity of 2 liters. This pot is from Amazon and it is quite heavy as it is made up of cast iron. It is induction based model and has a capacity of 3.5 liters. I use this pot very occasionally, and this is completely non-stick and induction based model. This pot is from China. I bought it from Tanzania. This is heavy duty pan as well. This is completely stainless steel body with the glass lid, and this is of 2.5 liters capacity. This pot also is an induction based model. This non-stick pot is largest among all my cookwares, and this is from Dubai, which has a capacity of 5 liters. This kadai is from Prestige. This is an Amazon product. Its capacity is 1.5 liters. This can also be used on induction. This non-stick saucepan is from Amazon. This is Prestige brand with glass lid with 1 liter capacity, and this is also an induction based model. This frying pan is my favorite of all. This is completely stainless steel, heavy duty body with induction based, and this is from Turkey. This is again from Prestige. This is 5 liters capacity. This is Prestige kadai. I bought it from Amazon. This is non-stick kadai and was using it since 2 years, and the quality is excellent. These 2 pots are of stainless steel, which I have bought from local market here. These are quite convenient to cook dal, curry, rice, etc. This is of 2 liters capacity and 1 liter capacity. Thanks for watching.